Hi guys, Macintosh Guide, and we're back again. The regular weekly unboxings are getting crazy, aren't they? Now, last week we saw a Mac Mini being unboxed, and I was actually surprised because it still had Apple Care until Jan 2026. So plenty of time to be able to make sure the machine's working properly and still get supported by Apple. So chuffed, absolutely chuffed about that. So let's now move on to the next unboxing. Now I think I know what this is because this was the only item I would think is still on it, which is still part of the small box items. So let's get straight into seeing what this device is. And again, this is from Hoxton Max. There's one more next week, which we have a massive unboxing of. So guys, just keep staying tuned and subscribe for all of this. So let's we of course get the lovely message from Hoxton saying thank you for your order, as always, on the top. And yes, it exactly is what I knew and remembered. So if you guys haven't realized, it is a MacBook Air. Now this, as far as I know, is an M2 MacBook Air, but I don't know the specs. It has been randomly ordered, so no idea, I have no clue. And you can see it does a fair bit of usage on the rubber feet, but nothing crazy. It's genuinely so light. This is actually so enjoyable to hold and take care of. You can see the ports have been been used, so we can see that there. But that's the MacBook Air. And then of course, just want to make sure that the charging brick is right there. Now I don't know if the MacBook Air came with its original, like there was a colored brick or not, but we've got one included, so I'm not really fussed. So let's boot the machine up next and see what we've got. So let's open the device. I'm going to use the box to help as well. Maybe not. Let's maybe not use the box. It's too much elevation. And this will give us a good idea. And I'll bring the camera close to the device to show you guys what the specs are. So we can see we're seeing the hello screen. And it's running Sonoma, as you can tell from the background. Let me set this device up and then I'll show you the specs of the device. So we booted into the machine. Now something odd is going on. As you can tell, the menu bar itself is just not showing, which is really odd. When I lock the machine, I can see it, but I can't see the menu bar when unlocked. And of course I just had to open an application for it to actually work. So let's see if we can find out about this machine spec. Oh, so it's an M2 device. And let me bring this closer for you guys to have a look. So it's an It's an M2 MacBook Air, 24 gigs of RAM. That's amazing. And this has a terabyte of storage, so that's actually really good for a laptop, which is, yeah, that's brilliant. That's fantastic. So that's plenty of storage and RAM to be used. And yeah, that's incredible. And bear in mind, guys, this machine runs really great. I think this was a good condition machine, so it's done really well, surprisingly. Now let's just have a look at the battery health as well, if we can. And let me show you, zooming up, and it says it's got 96% of capacity, so it's barely been utilized. And let me just see if I can find out about the cycle count. I believe it's under power. Cycle count, it's at 113 cycle count, so it's nothing crazy in my opinion. I think that seems to be normal for a MacBook. And let me just go away and just double check about the AppleCare for the machine. Just to give you a heads up, coverage has expired for this device, so yeah, we're not lucky so for this one, but obviously the MacBook Air we did get, a MacBook Mini we did get the AppleCare. So guys, this is the MacBook Air, and really happy with it. Gonna get it updated to Sequoia and test the machine out as much as I can. So guys, thanks for watching this quick unboxing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.